Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, in this occasion, I'd like to explain you about how to use simple past tense with regular verb. We use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. And we form the past tense of regular verbs by adding ed to their simple form. For example, work become work, live become lived, expect become expected, want become wanted, close become closed, cook become cook, and so on. The pattern of simple past tense in positive or statement is subject plus verb 2 on the past tense of the plural form. Example, I work, you work, he work, she work, it work, we work, they work. Okay, it is the conjugation of simple past tense in positive sentences or in statement. What about negative? The negative form of simple past tense is subject plus did plus not plus verb 1. Did not can be contracted becomes didn't. I did not work. You did not work. He did not work. She did not work. It did not work. We did not work. They did not work. What about question form? The pattern of question form in past tense for regular verb is did plus the subject plus verb 1. Here the conjugation. Did I work? Did you work? Did he work? Did she work? Did it work? Did we work? Did they work? Another example is they painted the building white. She arrived home late. He arrived home early. Mr. Jones lived in Boston last year. Well, now please answer my questions. What time did you work? What time did you work in the office? Did you get up early or late? Do you wash the plates? Did you wash the plates? When did you arrive home? Did you come home early or late? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.